Hi, I'm Pete, and this is an HK Now store unboxing. Now, got a box, ordered a couple puzzles. Took about 3 weeks to get here, which not really bad. There was a holiday in between, and anyway, it's still, I think, pretty good service. As usual, the box is a little bit crushed, but I think it's going to be okay. So, yeah, okay, there's the box. Okay, I'll put the knife away before somebody gets hurt. And let's see what I got. Oh, wow, these are, first of all, I can tell you right away, these are much bigger than I expected. Okay, so, bubble wrap, and there's my puzzles. Okay, this is super. Okay, and empty box, and get rid of the box. Whoop. And some paperwork. Okay, Calvin's card. Oh wow, it's nice to see Calvin's card. And that's where I get the puzzles. Okay, so let's see here. So what did I get? Well, let's start with this one. Okay. So this is Eitan's TriCube. Now I've been seeing this talked about quite a bit online and the various forums, and this is the same Eitan as the designer of Eitan Star. So I'm really pleased to be able to get this. This was a 3D printed puzzle, and it's great that it's been mass produced. So this is a Calvin's puzzle, so that's from Calvin's brand, and very nice display box. All right, well let's have a look. So it has I don't know if that's an actual serial number or not. Anyway, there it is. So Calvin's puzzles, and then Calvin found HK Now store. Whoops. Okay. Calvin's puzzles. Now it says age 8 and up. Okay, so that's actually pretty good. Sorry, we're getting some glare there. Okay, and then it does some warnings, and I think it's about small parts. Yeah, not suitable for children under 3 years. Well, so it says 3 there, 8 there. Go figure. But here's a QAM code if you wanted to go and check it out some more. All right. So ages 8 and up. Play, enjoy, cannot stop it. Relax. Okay, it's fun, and unique shape made in China. All right, and some more of HK Now stores, or yeah, Calvin's puzzles, brand puzzles. Okay, well that's kind of nice that they're doing that, and millions of combinations, enrich your eyes and brains. Calvin's puzzles are ultimate challenge. So this is promoting Calvin's puzzles, which is good. Okay, so there's the puzzle inside there. Now, Eitan's TriCube comes in 2 variants. There's the 3 colors, which I got, and then there's the 6 colors. And there actually may be a 3rd variant, a 3 colors, but a different set of colors. I really don't know. All right. So, and of course not stickered, but rather colored plastic. And oops. I'm one of these people that tends to go for black body stickered puzzles, but I'm definitely warming up to colored plastic. The new colors are really good. Okay, so there we go. So there's the puzzle. And just before I toss the box, I'm going to check. It happens every once. Well, I guess there's nothing under there. There's no stickers. It's stickerless. Okay, I'm just double checking if there's nothing in there. Okay, so lovely box, and off it goes. All right, so here's the puzzle. Now I think it's definitely had a few adventures. So let me kind of put it where it's supposed to be here. Okay, so it definitely got, there we go. Now this is the sort of puzzle that it can be very hard to see from a photo anyway. Basically, it's called a TriCube, and there are actually 3 cubes. So we can see the blue cube, and then if I turn it ever so slightly and get everything lined up, we have the white cube intersecting that, right? And then you have the red cube intersecting all 3 of those. So there are 3 cubes that are kind of fused together here, and this is the TriCube. And so the way it would play with your perception and your ability to really visualize what's going on, I think this is just going to be absolutely incredible. And I'm still stunned that we can actually get this as a mass-produced puzzle. So, and of course all of these faces turn, and let me make sure I don't accidentally scramble it. It really is challenging. So that turns. Let's see, that one turns. Wow, this is nice. Turning is great. Definitely. Oh, I see. So I guess I better really pay attention here. Yeah, I really like this. I see that there are little black kind of points in there, and everything has to line right up with that. So yeah, ooh, wow, okay, so that part can move, right? And that part moves. Oh, this is just gonna be this is gonna be something really to try and solve. Now I've had other puzzles that are something like this before, but this is absolutely unique. In terms of puzzles, this is going to be a lot of fun. I think it may be a fairly hard puzzle. I'm not sure. I don't even know how many axes it has, because if I look at here and here, that's an axis. There and there, that's an axis. That's an axis. So that's the usual 6 axes. But then you have this one. Right, you have that one, you have that one, and you have that one. So I'm up to 8 axes, but I don't know for sure. Maybe I'm just imagining all these axes. Anyway, this looks like it's going to be a lot of fun. So yeah, there is another color that includes yellow. I think it's the other standard 6 colors, and I don't know why I chose this one. It's just that this one would kind of look nice. I think this is the one that Eitan demonstrated. So. Anyway, I really like the look of this nice contrast, bold colors, and yeah, these bold colors are really going to turn me into a stickerless puzzle buyer for sure. Okay, so that was the first thing that I went for in my shopping spree. On there's Eitan's logo and Calvin's logo. So yeah, so my shopping spree included another puzzle, and it was one that I wanted to get, and I was so glad that I was able to finally get it. And this is another puzzle designer whose puzzles I've had before. This is Greg Warfenning, or Greg, as he's known. And so this is the Multi-Skewb. Wait, it's called a Multi-Skewb. Okay. Yeah, I don't know how the name kind of got changed. Anyway, it says Multi-Skewb on the box. It said Multi-Skewb on the HK Now Store website, and I think that's what we're calling it. So there we go. So, and then it says Yushin Cube win with intelligence. Okay. So there you go. And it says Yushin Magic Cube, and then look at that. That is just a beautiful presentation. I really like that. If I saw that on the shelf, I think I would want to get one like that. All right, so what's on the bottom of this box? Okay, so let's see, 0 to 3, so no babies. Very good, and just the usual Yushin data on the bottom. Okay, many different languages. That's kind of cool. Okay, and what else we got? Oh, Greg's puzzle. So he kind of has a line, I guess, with them. That's kind of neat. A line of, I guess, puzzles, his own kind of logo. All right, well, let's, and then there's nothing on the top. So let's get this open, if I can find a way to do this. Oh, there's nothing to cut open. Oh yeah, okay, there's this side here, okay. All right, so yeah, I really admire the people that steam open the boxes and so that they don't damage them. It really, seriously. There you go. All right, so I think that should do it. Oh, there's that. Whoop, okay. So there was a little bracket holding the top of the puzzle in place. And oh, it comes with its own stand. That's kind of neat. And there we go. Okay, so I'm just going to put the stand in. We'll look at the bottom part of the box. Just make sure that we've seen everything. Oh, it's got a little lightning design on there. Okay. Product designer signature. Oh, okay, so Greg's signature. That's kind of neat. And that's really, and then nothing in the base. Okay, so that was nice. So here we go. So this is, it says Greg's Puzzles on here. Oh, so he does have his, so he has a logo on there as well. That's great. And I guess that must be Yushin's logo. Yeah, I think it is. And there it is. So this is the Multi-Skewb. So what we have here is a puzzle inside and then an outer puzzle. And the outer puzzle kind of moves like a skewb. That's what I know for sure. So the outer puzzle moves like a skewb, and as you can see, as I move the outer puzzle, some of the inner puzzle moves as well. So I guess part of the game is to figure out which parts of the outer puzzle are controlled by or move the inner puzzle. I know that was, you know, I've had a few of these puzzles so far, and that's always the fun part of it, right? Just trying to figure out what moves when you move each part. I think I'm seeing a pattern already, but it's kind of hard to say. The movement is just phenomenal. I'm really impressed with this. I hear a little bit of spring noise, which is fine. I can deal with that. And that is really neat. Now this isn't just a regular skewb. There's also an extra slice here. And as a matter of fact, when I'm looking at it here, it sort of looks to me like it could be a master skewb. It looks a little bit. I'm not 100% sure though. So what happens if I move two slices here? All right. Oop. Okay. Ooh, the whole thing moved. Interesting. But up here, not all of it moved. Okay. So if I move that slice back. Oh, it's that slice is moving some stuff too. That is really cool. Okay, well, I am certainly going to have fun with this. I can't stress enough how well this turns. This is just beautiful. It's absolutely flawless. Yeah, I don't know what kind of mechanism I used, but man, this is just really nice. Yeah. Okay, now I'm getting a little nervous here. So that's it. Nice bright colors. This is just something. Yeah, all right. I'm speechless now. I can't wait to get started with this. So now I've got two really cool puzzles. They gave me a nice stand for one of them, so I'm not sure how so I guess I'll just kind of set that like that. And yeah, so that's my haul from the HK Now store. Always nice to get a new batch of puzzles, and these are really quite unique and special puzzles. So that's it for my unboxing, and as always, I appreciate your questions, your comments, your suggestions. Just let me know what you're thinking in the comments, or if you have any questions. And otherwise, until next time, thanks for watching.